Have you ever pushed code into production only to find out that your API endpoint was broken after the users noticed? What if you could catch these issues earlier, automatically, before they even reach production? Today, let's break down API automation, why it matters, and how to get users started quickly in Postman. What exactly is API test automation? API automation is the process of writing scripts that automatically test your APIs to validate that they are working as expected, without manual effort each time. Instead of manually sending requests and checking your responses, your automation scripts do all of that for you, ensuring reliability and saving hours of repetitive testing. Now, why does API automation matter for your development process? Because it helps you shift left. Shifting left means catching bugs and issues earlier in your development cycle, rather than finding them late in staging or worse in production. For example, if you automate your API tests to run on every pull request, you can catch a broken endpoint before it's even merged, saving your team from fighting fires later. Here are some quick do's and don'ts for effective API automation. Do run your tests in parallel whenever possible. This speeds up your pipeline dramatically. Don't automate flaky tests. If a test is unreliable, fix its stability before adding it to your automation test suite. Do focus on high-value, frequently used endpoints first. Don't over-automate rarely used endpoints with low risk, especially if the maintenance outweighs the benefits. Here's a quick example. Imagine your team is developing a payments API. You automate key tests, status codes, auth tokens, and payment flow. During a routine code merge, your automated tests catch a regression in the authentication logic. Instead of finding out days later in staging, or worse, through your customer's complaints, you identify it and fix it immediately, saving time, costs, and users' trusts. So how do you get started with API automation in Postman? Here's your quick start roadmap. Step 1, the collection runner. The fastest way to get started is with the built-in collection runner. Create a collection that includes all of your API test cases. Use the collection runner to run all of your tests at once. This is perfect if you're new to CI/CD but want automated test coverage without a full pipeline. It's like setting a reoccurring reminder. Postman runs the tests and you review the results. Step 2 is scheduled runs. Set up scheduled runs to run automatically, hourly, daily, nightly, or whenever you need. Test after deployment to staging. For example, after every code merge into staging, a Postman scheduled run can automatically run your API tests. If something breaks, your team knows instantly, creating a continuous feedback loop without manual effort. Step 3, full CI/CD automation with Postman CLI. Finally, integrate fully into your CI/CD pipeline using the Postman CLI. With the Postman CLI, you can run your Postman collections directly from the command line. Embed them into any CI/CD system such as GitHub Actions, Jenkins, GitLab, Circle CI, and more. Trigger API tests on every pull request, merge, or deploy. If tests pass, your pipeline continues. If they fail, it stops, preventing broken APIs from reaching users. This is production-grade API automation built directly into your workflows. API automation isn't just about saving time. It's about building confidence in your code, catching issues earlier by shifting left, and delivering reliable APIs to your users. Ready to automate your API testing with Postman? Check out our Learning Center to get started today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more on all things Postman. Thanks for watching.